Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see how we can declare a Python variable in more detail. So in our previous videos we have seen that what are the naming convention of Python variable and what exactly is a Python variable. And in this video we are going to dig deep into the declaration of Python variables. So Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. This means that a Python variable is created automatically when we assign a value to it. So for example, if I'm going to put name as my variable, it does not reserve memory unless you assign a value to it. So the moment I'll run this code or run this cell, then interpreter will interpret that 25 is a value which is getting stored in this name, and this is a variable, and then only Python will automatically create and assign the value to it. Now over here, let's say that my name is Atul, okay, and I'm going to create another variable which is age. Age is equal to 25 and weight is equal to 65.8. Okay, so over here we are creating a string variable which stores my name. With this age variable we are creating an integer variable which stores value of my age. Over here with weight we are creating a floating point variable which stores value of my weight. One thing that we need to understand here is that the equal sign, which is over here, is used to assign the values to variable. So in simple word, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment we first assign a value to it. The operand to the left of this equal operator, for example in this we have name, is the name of the variable, and the operand to the right side of this equal operator is the value stored in this variable. Now we have declared this variable and stored the values in it. What we can do now is that we can print the Python variable. So as we have created Python variable and assigned values to it, we can simply use the print statement to print the variables or variable value. So I'm just going to give print name, age and weight. If I run this cell, you will see that we have these values in these three variables. So here Atul, 25 and 65.8 are the values assigned to name, age and weight variable respectively. So this is how basically you can assign values to your variable, and the variable will get stored in your memory the moment values is assigned to the variable in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.